In this video, I'll go over how to buy an Apple gift card using Cash App. So it's actually really simple and you can do it from within the Cash app. So what you can do is just go to cash.app/gift cards. Then there will be a QR code you can scan in order to send a gift card. And basically what you then want to do is just make a transfer, but instead of sending it as cash, you want to select a gift card. And then in the search merchant section, just go to search for Apple and select an Apple gift card, and you can then choose for how much it is. And then you can send it for as little as $1 with no fees, and they can be converted to cash when the balance drops below $10, so no gift goes wasted. And then from there you can just send it to the recipient, and they will then also receive it within Cash App, and they can then use the gift card on Apple. So now you know how to buy an Apple gift card with Cash App. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.